to kind of give you a small tutorial on how to work my new app, which I'm so proud to present. It's Clever Cabinets LLC. It's the new smart talking inventory app for any type of management and filing system, anywhere it can be used. So here goes. I am in my local Target and I am going to scan some Maxwell House coffee. So as I go to my app here, notice what happens when I open up the app.
Welcome to Clever Cabinet Lenica.
As you can see, it actually says my name. That's a feature that I have enabled. So when you go to download the app, there's a notification that will come up for you to enable that feature. You can also turn that feature on and off. So if you don't want the app to talk to you constantly, then it doesn't have to. So let's get right to the video. So I'm gonna scan in this Maxwell House coffee. And if you look at the user interface, everything about it is touchscreen. So notice what happens when I hit scan item.
Scanning code bar.
We're gonna put the camera in focus. And as you can see, once I scanned in this container of coffee, it immediately put in the barcode along with the product name or product type, as well as my purchase date, which is April 14th, 2020. So what I would do next is look for the expiration date on this product, which looks to be January 12th, 2021. And then I would key that in. The app also has a built-in calendar. So I'll key that in. That is January 12th, 2021. So I'll just scroll through the calendar, find that date, hit OK, and submit. So now I'll come up to the top of the app where you see the three little dots or the ellipses. I'll select that. There's a little box that'll pop up that says add cabinet. Here you can kind of customize it and get personal, because this is your personal Clever Cabinet, your personal inventory based on how you shop. So once I select add cabinet, I'm going to put in my cabinet name or cabinet type. Here I'll just do boxed coffees. So I'm going to key in boxed coffees. You can also add your personal address. I choose not to, but that's just a feature I thought was cool to add. You can also set your temperature within your app. The bar, you can actually scroll the little scroll bar. So I choose not to do that, so I'm going to skip that part. Now you'll come down to inventory. Here you can either put, again, your own personal name for that, or what I've been doing that helps me, I put the size of the container or the weight. So for this, the net weight is 7.6 ounces. So I'm just going to do that. Net weight 7.6 ounces. And then I'll go down to the next box, which is inventory. Also here again, you can personalize this according to how you shop. So for that, I'll put I guess powdered mixes or powdered coffees. However you want to do it is up to you. However you choose to do this or key in your data. Sorry. So once I do that, I come down and I hit save data. So next, since I selected the cabinet type, which I think was boxed coffees, I'll come down here, and as you can see, it's saved into the inventory when I selected and entered in my cabinet type. So I'll select boxed coffees, and then I'll hit submit.
Welcome to Clever Cabinet Lenica.
It takes you back to the main user interface, and you can also go to my grocery list.
Here's a reminder of the item you will need today.
You can also go here to the ellipses again. You can add your reminders for your grocery list to help you also keep track of anything you'll need for the upcoming day or the next day or what have you. So let's just say I need to purchase some milk in a few days. So I'm going to put in milk, the date that I need to purchase it. So let's put tomorrow's date, which is the 15th. Select the date, hit OK, and save. So as that date gets close, then the app you'll have a little reminder at the top of your screen or wherever you have your notifications set to show you that you have that reminder to purchase your milk. And also what is cool, if you hit the little orange box that says open your Clever Cabinet, you can also see all of your items, and it's talking because I have the talk feature enabled. You can see everything that you've scanned into your Clever cabinet. These are all things that I've scanned in my personal pantry at home. And if you want to just select or look at what you've scanned in under one particular category, in this case I have drinks, bread, and snack cakes. So under breads, I just scanned in one particular product. So you can look at your inventory based on your cabinet name, type, the name of stock. You can search it several different ways. So I just wanted to give you guys a little quick tutorial on how to work this. You can also go to support here.
Support.
I have my personal business email embedded within the app. So if you have any questions or any suggestions about the app, it comes directly to me, and I will respond to any suggestions or questions you have about the app on how to work it as soon as possible. So thank you in advance for watching this video on how to work my new app, Clever Cabinets LLC. I hope you enjoy it. It's a new and innovative smart talking technology that will be beneficial for everybody everywhere. So go check it out. It's available right now on Google Play. The Apple version is coming very, very soon. So just be on the lookout for that, and other updates and features are coming as well.